guys, they are freaking here. Oh my gosh, let's go.
All right, guys, welcome back. I'm super excited. I know it's been a really long time, and I really don't know how to film YouTube videos anymore because I just feels like I'm not a YouTuber because I haven't made videos in such a long time. But besides that, I got this giant box in the mail. I've been waiting for this for 36 days since the time I ordered it. If you guys can't tell what this is, you'll find out here in a second. But if you know, you know. So, anyways, I'm super excited to open this up and show you guys what's inside. So I'm gonna bring you guys over here and let's check it out. I'm super excited. I can't get the smile off my face. Let's go! All right, guys, so this package is from Branded Bills. If you know what that is, it is a hat company, which is the company that Mad Electrician used for his hats, which are awesome, which I've been wearing for the last, I don't know, 3 to 5 months since Nika. Since my hair got long, I started wearing hats and it keeps the hair out of my face, so it's really nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and I'm sure you can guess what this is. Wow, I totally messed that up. Sorry for the bad angle, but anyways, here are some hats. I have really high expectations, so I hope they are exactly as I imagine. I'm gonna flip them over. I was assuming they were upside down. I still haven't looked. I'm gonna open this up. Crispy. I'm watching, oh, I'm looking at the camera. Woo! Not bad. It's a little different than I feel like Stevens, but I'm letting it sink in and it's pretty good. Okay, it's good, we're good. All right, so this is what it is. Sorry, I got really worried there for a second that they were gonna be bad quality, but they're actually not bad. So as you can see, this is my hat with my logo. I'm super excited. It's the same exact hat that I'm wearing right now, which is Stevens right here. It just looks different because of the color, like white and black versus the black and the green, but got the same exact hat with my logo because I love this hat so much. So same exact thing. This is the black trucker hat, snapback, Essential 300, I guess. But yeah, that's it. I got the minimum order that I had to get for the PVC logo patch was 25, which is unfortunate because I'm either gonna have all those hats for the rest of my life, which was over $566, or you guys can buy one if you want to, no pressure. But if you want to help me recoup some of my money, I won't be making a profit off of it because they're already expensive enough as it is. But if you guys want to buy one, I'll totally sell you one. I think they're around $22 a piece, but with shipping, it's like $35. So I know that's a lot for a hat, but just know that I'm not making any profit off this except maybe like $1 for gas to get to the post office. But 35 is pretty much what the price is going to be. So if you guys want one, I would love it if you guys would support me and just rep the hat because they're honestly amazing and I wear them every day. But other than that, I'm super excited and I'm going to try it on right now. Gotta take the sticker off though. Sorry, I'm not one of those guys. But I think there's like some dust on here, but the letters all look really nice. I'm gonna zoom in here. There might be like some little extra black piece right there, but other than that, it's dialed. It's like super nice. I wouldn't say it's like foamy, but it kind of feels like foam. But yeah, this is sick, and I'm gonna be wearing this baby to work. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, so this is the first try on right here. It should be exactly the same. Obviously, it's not fitted because I have one click back and this one is fully clicked out. So this one has to get tightened a little bit, but it feels good already. But yeah, I love this company. They make really great products. It's probably a little bit spendy, but you get what you pay for. Ooh, that feels so good, you guys. Dang, let's go. So yeah, sorry, Steven. It's the end of an era. I mean, I'll still wear it probably, but for the most part, I'll probably be wearing mine now because I have my own. Now, obviously, I'm going to be giving Steven one because he gave me one of his. So, but yeah, if you guys want a hat, let me know. This is what I got, and black and white so you can kind of see it easy. I was thinking of going with a black with like a blue to match my car, like this color blue right here, but it didn't look as good, and Anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to buy one, let me know. Either message me on Instagram or drop a comment and we can connect, but no pressure. Yeah, I just got them because I wanted one for myself, but unfortunately I had to buy 25 of them, which sucks. But anyways, love the product and I'm super excited. Can't wait to show it off to some friends at work, some coworkers. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said on Instagram, Sparky Marky came over yesterday and we kind of did like an interview and stuff like that. He's like apprentice I used to work with when I was non-union, like 4 years ago. I think he was his first day as an apprentice. I was working with him as his journeyman, so it's been a while. But anyways, he is going to be posting some videos or editing some videos of us. So that's either going to go on his channel or he's going to edit it and send it to me and I'm going to post it on my channel or vice versa. So make sure to check out Sparky Mark or Sparky Marky. It's in one of my featured channels. So make sure to check him out. He's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. He makes really great content, but he kind of switched to The Office. So his content's changing a little bit, but he has some great day in the life of an electrician videos. So make sure to check those out on his channel, and stay tuned for the videos that he's going to be posting. We had some really good fun just talking electrical and hanging out, and yeah, it was a good time. So anyways, yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. So that's probably going to be one of the next videos, is a video that he made, either posted on my channel or his or both. So stay tuned for that, and I got to get cranking on some videos because I haven't been making videos at all. So anyways, thank you guys so much for the support. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.